parents, welcome back to our channel Art of Parenting. Today we came up with another exciting activity for your baby. It is nothing but water play. Here water play we can do it in two ways. I am going to show you in detail about two ways, but this activity you can perform once your child is able to sit on his own or at least with a support, because spending few minutes in water is not that easy for baby. So you have to take utmost care and you have to have a proper attention towards your baby when you are doing this activity. Do not leave your child unattended when you are doing this activity with your baby. This is fun and also very interesting for your baby. Now let's see what are the two different ways of water play that we can do with our child. Let's get started. To do this activity, you need water in a small container. You can take it in a small tub or you can take it in a small container. Now put some toys or some balls into the water. See what your child is going to do with those toys. Let him enjoy for few minutes. If the water is too cold, it is better to take warm water. This is the first type of water play, wherein your child is not inside the water, but he is experiencing the water as well as the objects inside the water. This is also useful to improve their gross motor skills as well as fine motor skills, and also helps them to understand the object permanence. And whenever they are splashing or taking out the objects, there are few muscles which will also strengthen in their little hands. Banda, enjoy chestunava? But no doubt parents, it's going to be a big mess. We have to clear it out after that. It is also one of the important and the best activity for tactile sense, wherein they are touching the water, they are feeling the water. So this is the activity for tactile sense as well. Initially, do not give them for a longer time because there are chances of getting cold. Now let's move on to the second type of water play. So parents, let's start with the second type of water play for our kids. For this, take a bigger tub and pour water into it. Pour only 1/4 or maximum half of the water, and then place few of your child's favorite toys. Now put your child inside the water. As I already mentioned, please ensure that the water is not too cold. Now make your child sit inside the water and enjoy with the toys. This water play activity also helps them to improve their physical fitness through lifting, pouring, carrying, splashing, etc. It also develops eye-hand coordination in our kids. Water play enhances concentration and focus. It also helps to develop motor skills and sensory exploration. It also helps to build social and communication skills. So ensure that your child is having this water play at least once in a week so that they will have an overall development. They can also spend long time in exploring and playing. It encourages them to improve their focus as well as attention for a long length of time. Ball తీసుకో పట్టుకో ఇది పట్టుకో బాగుందా బాగుందా నీళ్ళలో కూర్చుంటే బాగుందా If your child is not able to sit on their own, please give them some support. You. Please equal. It also helps them not to develop any fear towards water sports or water games once they grow up. నీళ్ళు తీసుకొని తాగబడి ఇట్లా నీళ్ళు తీసుకొని తాగబడి అని Thank you so much, dear parents. We will be coming up with more activities in our further videos. Keep watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, like and share our videos.